In my brief encounter with the MetaQuest 3, spanning about 30 minutes, I've been introduced to a glimpse of its capabilities, set to release on October 10th, and I must say, it leaves me craving more. It's evident that the boosted graphics and enhanced performance, thanks to the new Snapdragon XR2 Gen 2, alongside its sleeker design, and the advanced mixed reality experience, renders this device a worthy successor to the Oculus Quest 2. It's true that the Quest 3 comes with a steeper price tag compared to the Quest 2's debut price, but when you factor in its upgrades, it seems like the price hike is justified. While I plan to dive deeper into its features to gauge its standing against rivals, my initial impressions hint that it could be in the running for the best VR headset title, possibly succeeding the tried-and-true Oculus Quest 2, which has been my top recommendation for VR novices. For those interested, the best deals on the MetaQuest 3 can be found in the description below. The MetaQuest 3 boasts a design that's 40% trimmer than its forerunner, elevating the comfort factor noticeably. While the Quest 2 wasn't particularly cumbersome, the difference with the Quest 3 became apparent the moment I had it on. Throughout my roughly half-hour experience with it, there were moments I was barely aware the headset was on me, a testament to its comfort. A noticeable design shift from the Quest 2 is that the Quest 3's incorporation of color cameras on its facade. These cameras not only provide a view of the outside world in vivid color as you wear the headset, reminiscent of the Quest Pro, but they also lend an enriched mixed reality experience. Further, the frontal design of the headset has a more curved aesthetic, which lends it a sophisticated, forward-looking appeal. With a resolution of 2064 by 2208 per eye, the clarity and precision of visuals on the MetaQuest 3 are commendable. This clarity extends even when I engage the pass-through mode to observe my surroundings. The vibrancy and richness of color in gameplay left a lasting impression on me. We're yet to conduct comprehensive tests on the display, but my first-hand experience certainly raises my expectations. Quest 3 comes equipped with the Touch Plus controllers. Although dubbed new, they're functionally akin to the ones accompanying the Quest Pro. Just like their counterparts, these controllers incorporate self-tracking technology, ensuring a comprehensive 360-degree motion range. This means no fretting about the headset losing track when, say, the controllers drift behind you. Meta has integrated a feature known as True Touch haptics to these controllers, enhancing tactile feedback. A prime example is when you grasp virtual entities. There's a tangible resistance felt on the pressed button, mirroring real-life touch. What stands out about the Touch Plus controllers is their ability to seamlessly echo your hand motions, feeling like a genuine extension of oneself. They impeccably mirror every nuanced move, which is crucial in a virtual domain. The last thing you want is for lackluster responsiveness to yank you out of an immersive VR experience. Judging by my trial run, these enhanced controllers pass with flying colors, not just in performance, but also in the sheer joy of their use. At the heart of the MetaQuest 3's enhanced performance lies the Qualcomm Snapdragon XR2 Gen 2 chipset. Qualcomm brands it as a tangible game-changer in the XR realm. Other notable enhancements include the new displays, offering 2064 by 2208 pixels for each eye, and an incredible 8GB of RAM, up from Quest 2's 6GB. Qualcomm and Meta's collaboration asserts that the new XR2 chipset delivers graphics that are staggering, 2.5 times better than the Gen 1 chip in the Oculus Quest 2. Moreover, it boasts 50% superior GPU efficiency, the resulting benefit a reduced risk of the headset heating up and a longer battery life. And on the topic of battery life, Meta mentions an average battery duration of just over 2 hours for the Quest 3, although I haven't personally put that to the test. And with its 18-watt charger, the headset can go from 0 to full charge in approximately 2 hours. While specifications and numbers tell part of the story, experiencing the Quest 3 firsthand is the real convincer. Reading text in VR has often been a challenge. Yet on the Quest 3, those typically blurry characters were defined and effortlessly readable, as seen in games like Red Matter 2. In general, visuals appeared more refined, devoid of that common hazy aura that tends to merge VR elements. Even shadowing and reflection displayed heightened realism, truly enlivening virtual and mixed realities. In a unique Red Matter 2 demo, I could toggle between Quest 3's graphics and a Quest 2 emulation. The difference? Stark. It felt analogous to revisiting a beloved PlayStation 1 game, only to discover the graphics weren't as majestic as nostalgia led you to believe. Another game, Assassin's Creed Nexus, showcased a vibrant world replete with numerous interactive NPCs, even if the graphics didn't quite match Red Matter 2's quality. While I'll be delving deeper into MetaQuest 3's capabilities, my initial impressions corroborate Meta's claim this could very well be their most potent headset to date. The MetaQuest 3, much like its predecessors, support all games and apps from the Quest Store, allowing users of previous Quest versions to seamlessly transfer their software libraries. This new edition doesn't just revisit old VR realms, it introduces captivating mixed reality adventures. While its prominent feature of a full-color pass-through, a quality first seen with the MetaQuest Pro, but enhanced in the Quest 3 with a clearer and more vibrant display, it sets a new standard. Combined with the Snapdragon XR2 Gen 2's advanced AI, the headset creates a more immersive mixed reality experience by recognizing floors, walls, and room objects, making the mixed reality environment feel less artificial and more engaging. Switching between virtual reality and mixed reality has never been easier. A double tap on the right side of the headset does the trick. A noteworthy feature to anticipate is the Quest 3's augments. These mixed reality widgets, designed to adorn your physical space, come with varied functionalities, from game portals to weather updates. Remarkably, once placed, these augments retain their positions, ensuring a consistent mixed reality experience. I'm excited for a deeper dive into these offerings, especially after the riveting Stranger Things and Samba de Amigo mixed reality demos. The MetaQuest 3 is shaping up as a commendable successor to its predecessor, the Quest 2. By integrating several of the Quest Pro's standout features, like the vibrant pass-through camera and the Touch Plus controllers, Meta has made a strategic play. And when you consider it's priced at half of what the Quest Pro goes for, it becomes an even more tantalizing proposition. With the October 10 release date just around the corner, anticipation is mounting for enthusiasts to get their hands on the Quest 3. I'm especially eager to dive deeper into what the headset brings to the table. Perhaps this will be the device that turns me into a VR gaming enthusiast. Keep your eyes peeled for our comprehensive review of the MetaQuest 3. Thanks for joining me in this deep dive into the MetaQuest 3. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and consider subscribing for more in-depth tech insights. Got questions or thoughts about the Quest 3? Drop a comment below, and I'll do my best to get back to you. Until next time, keep exploring those virtual realms, and I'll catch you on the next video. Stay tech savvy, folks.